In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share using the new Google Calendar. If you want your calendar to reflect your availability more accurately, one of the simplest things you can do is update an event so it shows you as busy instead of free. This is especially helpful when you're coordinating with teammates, clients, or anyone else who may be viewing your schedule. It helps prevent double booking and makes your calendar much more useful as a scheduling tool. To get started, open Google Calendar and locate the event you want to update. Once you find it, click directly on that calendar event to open the event details. This brings up the quick view where you can make basic changes or move into the full editing screen. From there, select the pencil icon. This opens the event in edit mode, which gives you access to more settings and allows you to control how that event appears on your calendar. If you don't already see all the event options, the edit screen is where you'll find them in a more complete layout. Now look for the drop-down menu labeled Free. This setting controls how Google Calendar marks your availability during the time of that event. If it's currently set to free, that means the event is on your calendar, but it does not block your availability. In other words, someone checking your calendar could still think you're open during that time. Click that drop down and change the setting from free to busy. This is the key adjustment. Once you switch it to busy, the event will now reserve that time on your calendar properly, making it clear that you're not available for other meetings or appointments during that period. After making that change, click Save. This confirms the update and applies the new availability setting to the event. Your calendar will now show that block of time as busy, which helps others understand your schedule at a glance. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review important events on your calendar and make sure they're marked correctly. Even if an event title is already there, the availability setting matters just as much. A correctly labeled busy event can make a big difference when others are trying to schedule time with you. That's all it takes. Open the event, click the pencil icon, change free to busy, and save the update. It's a small adjustment, but it's a very effective way to keep your Google Calendar organized and easier to share.